Number 6, specific month. This is a lovely time period in which to relax and be totally at peace with yourself and those you care for. Surround yourself with a beautiful and comfortable environment. Though you will have to approach your task logically and realistically, you will appreciate the fruits of your labors immensely. You will enjoy particularly all that is beautiful and ethereal in every way. Therefore, this is the perfect time to enjoy the arts wherever possible. Domestic life and involvement with relatives and friends will dominate your interest this month, so it will be a good time for social or family gatherings. Take the initiative in planning such get-togethers, for others may not be in the same cycle as you and may be less interested in doing this. Parties held at your home would be ideal since you will have decorated it nicely and the effect on your guests will be a warm, pleasant one. If you have had problems with certain relationships, this is the time to iron them out because peace prevails and you should take advantage of it. After all, peace is a blessing we can't take for granted. We should make the most of it. If you are married, you can expect some sort of change this month, even a divorce if you have been unhappy. Otherwise, it is a good month for getting married, so accept or make that proposal. With the warmth and charm you elude at this time, you are irresistible, and your romantic partner may be well inclined to tie you down permanently. Socializing is the main factor in the 6th month and should be enjoyed. It is also a good time to get in touch with all those people you have been meaning to see and somehow never get around to. Old friendships may hold much for you and should be cultivated. Take care of your home responsibilities before anything else. Decorate the house, organize those domestic chores you have been neglecting, and instigate changes that will keep you better occupied and improve your environment. Secondly, take the time to enjoy your hobbies or special interests. If you have none, develop some because they will give you much pleasure, especially the arts or things pertaining to them. If you have no talent in this area, studying it will further your understanding and appreciation. Take advantage of the power this month to get yourself out of a rut. Expand your interests and personality as you expand your social context. Otherwise, you may find a reluctance to adjust when necessary to either marital or business difficulties. Carry your responsibilities in an adult manner and all will be well.